Hey, what's up everybody, it's Demo. Before we start this video, I just wanted to let everybody know, if you're new to this channel and you click on this video, it's gonna look amateurish at the start. That's how it's supposed to look, to show the difference between no sound padding and after sound padding. So just be aware of that. It looks kinda clunky-ish with its editing at the beginning, but stick around if you want to hear the difference. Hey, what's up everybody, it's Demo, and welcome back to a new video. Now, you might notice that I have a complete blank background behind me because unfortunately this little wireless Wi-Fi adapter that had pretty good reviews is pretty ass. So we are getting rid of that and we had to Ethernet up, which means I had to move locations. But luckily, for right now, I have a extremely long Ethernet cable where I can move things. And I figured now I'm in another new enclosed area that I could show the importance of sound padding. So this intro is being recorded at 4:02 in the morning. And you can hear that there's a lot of background echo and everything like that. Now, the point of this video right now, you can see that I am just in a storage area of my place. So it's pretty big. There's nothing, you know, on the walls. It's all completely blank. So, what does this mean? I am going to show the importance of sound padding. Can the basic 1-inch sound padding be enough to soundproof an entire area, like a room or a storage closet that I'm in right now? I was told by someone, this is a long time ago, that people just don't believe that 1-inch sound padding can make a difference. That, you know, it's pretty useless. And I've been using 1-inch sound padding for years. I believe it works. I don't believe you need to pay like $500 worth of just like super thick foam. But I recommend you do that. It is better than 1-inch sound padding. But I'm going to soundproof this room using 1-inch sound padding. I'm just going to pad it up and everything. And we are going to hear the difference. So as you can hear right now, it's very echoey or reverb, so a ton of reverb in here. Yes, so we are going to pad this place up and we'll see or hear the difference in that. So I will see you guys when this room is padded, probably tomorrow afternoon, and we'll super cut to that. Alright, we are back. It is the next day in the afternoon, so now we can properly set things up. I have the door open. We're gonna have to shut that. But first, let's get to padding this room. Alright, so this is now a almost fully padded room. We still got probably like 7 or 8 pads down beneath the desk I still have to put up. But most of it is covered. There's still a little tiny bit of reverb, but you will notice that there is a notable difference in the sound. Now, all you really need left is to put on your EQs and stuff, and it should sound different. Alright, you will notice a difference in the shape of the camera. It just got a little more circly. That's because I'm now recording through the layout that has all my EQs on it. So once you're sound padded and everything like that, and you got your EQs and everything like that ready to go, your room should go from sounding like this, basic 1-inch sound padding to sounding how it is now. So, yeah, that is 1-inch sound padding. My blue and black one's just all over this storage closet with my setup in it. And that is the difference everything makes once you're properly equipped and everything's done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that the sound padding makes a difference for you. If you go and you find some, the ones that I bought off Amazon, I will show on the screen right now. So yeah, this is the difference it makes. Once you pad everything up and you got your EQs, you're good to go. I'm sure with most microphones, you're gonna sound excellent. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit subscribe if you enjoy the video. And keep an eye out for some more tech, gaming, and music type stuff to help you improve your setup. I will talk to you guys later, and bye-bye.